Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Advanced, and as you can see right under it we've got the backup option, so let's simply tap on it. Tap on Add Account. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And as you can see, I've got it saved. I just wanted to say that you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut, the info about the backup. So here we can check that we are able to use the 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Under it, we've got the backup info, so your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage your backup easy. If for some reason you do not want to back up the data right now, just tap on Not Now, and after deciding that you want to do it, just come back to the system option and tap on backup. As you can see, you will be transferred directly to this step, so you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account. So let's tap on turn on, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the backup section. So here we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, of course. Here we can, under it, in this section we can check the backup details, so the apps, the photos, videos, and text messages. What's more, we cannot tap on backup option right now because, as you can see, we've got the info that the device will back up automatically everything over the Wi-Fi. So that's good. And at the very bottom we've got the advanced settings. We've got the backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off because your device or maybe your developer may charge you because of using the mobile data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.